I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study effectively from YouTube. To begin, always select videos from reputable channels to ensure you are getting accurate and reliable information. Watch actively by taking detailed notes and pausing the video frequently to process complex ideas. Before you even hit play, set a clear learning objective for what you hope to achieve from watching. This focused approach will significantly enhance your learning experience. Next, let's talk about effective note-taking. After watching a segment, summarize the key points in your own words. This helps with comprehension and retention. Utilize the video's timestamps to quickly revisit important sections, saving you valuable time during review. Consider creating flashcards from your summarized notes for active recall practice, which is a highly effective study method. Aim for at least 2 to 3 review sessions. To truly solidify your learning, reinforcement is key. Actively test your understanding by seeking out practice questions or quizzes related to the video's content. Discuss the video's concepts with friends or study partners. Explaining ideas to others deepens your own comprehension. Finally, apply the new concepts to real-world examples or problems, transforming passive viewing into active, practical knowledge. This makes learning stick. For advanced study, leverage YouTube's built-in tools. Adjust the playback speed to match your comprehension pace, slowing it down for complex topics or speeding it up for review. Utilize closed captions for better understanding, especially for new vocabulary or accents. Explore curated playlists and related videos from the same creator for a deeper dive into your chosen subject, expanding your knowledge systematically and efficiently.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.